Imagine sleep not just as a necessity for rest, but as a profound connection to the universe's rhythmic dance. Welcome to the hypothetical frequency wave theory of sleep, a speculative journey exploring how our slumber might align us with cosmic waves, fostering healing, balance, and unity. This theory suggests that during sleep, our brains and bodies resonate with natural frequency waves. These waves, flowing through the cosmos and our environment, could be key to restoration, memory consolidation, emotional balance, and immune system modulation. While this concept stretches the bounds of current science, it opens doors for groundbreaking research. Using tools like fMRI, EEG, and even quantum computing, we could someday map how these frequencies interact with our neurological processes. Embracing this theory could reshape our world, from the way we design cities to minimizing electromagnetic pollution. It challenges us to live more harmoniously within our environments for the sake of our sleep and overall health. At its core, this theory invites us to ponder our place in the cosmos. Are we through sleep more deeply interconnected with the universe than we ever imagined? It's a speculative but fascinating glimpse into new scientific horizons. As we stand on the brink of these uncharted territories, the hypothetical frequency wave theory of sleep encourages us not just to dream, but to dream boldly in pursuit of a future where our health and consciousness are in tune with the cosmic symphony.